Mabuhay, maayong gabi sa tanan akong followers, viewers, and supporters. Guys, this is Alexi from Davao City. Tonight, I am very glad. I am very thankful to the Lord for all the accomplishments of my work, for all the achievements of my duties. Although there are a lot of problems that I have faced tonight, although dili na supposedly dili na ako ang problema sa ubang tao kay personal na nila, but I need to face it. I need to patch up sa mga problema nila. Maybe that is my purpose in life, but I need to guide them. I need to teach them. I need to talk to them professionally, personally, biblically, religiously, spiritually, emotionally, physically.